Unfortunately, only about 20% of them survive because the raccoons get thrown out. And also the snakes and the birds don't like a good alligator.
What are we doing right now, buddy? We're on a riverboat trip, right?
Yep.
Trying to find some gators. Turning around, going the other way. Yeah, I think we're gonna go down that way.
Now these baby gators, when they come out of the egg, they're only about 6 to 8 inches long, and they have very bright yellow stripes.
You hear that, bud?
They do look a lot like a little lizard. If you come across a little lizard and it starts making a chirping noise, that's a baby gator calling mama, and I guarantee you, mama's gonna be close in hand. Now this guy, they only stay with mama for the first year of their life, which is only a foot long. They only grow a foot a year. So this guy's been without mama for, what, maybe a year and a half? What is he, about 2 feet?
Where'd he go?
He's on this.
Oh.
Ready?
2 feet, so he's been without mama for a year now.
And this is the restaurant we're gonna eat at after the tour, right? Say smash that like button.
Sounds like. And luck that we don't sink, but if we do, they'll lift us, so that's good.
Where? I don't think so. Look at that bird up there in the sky. Let's see that. Look at that bird up there, buddy.
Oh, there's 3.
Hey, don't hold it over the boat though, okay? Don't need to drop it in.
Look at that.
We got one up there, buddy. In the sky. Those are vultures coming to eat you. No, that's not gator. That's just a log.
Now the eagles love being with the vultures. If you happen to see a bird with the vultures that's a little bit large in size, and the feathers on the back of the wing is longer than the edge of the wing, that's the immature eagles. The eagles' heads don't turn white and their tail don't turn white until they're 5 years old. And we got some nice cooter turtles coming up here on the left. Oh, look at here.
Look, Eli.
Cooter turtles.
Look at those turtles on the log. You see them?
Yeah, let me, well, let me,
See that one with his head?
yeah, let me, can I zoom in?
I think we have the whole family there. Daddy, mommy, baby.
What's that zoom? Nice.
Let me,
See them all?
yeah, but you're not aiming at them.
Oh my goodness.
They're right there, buddy. Look at all of them. Oh, there's a bunch there too. Oh, I see those ones too. Yeah. Wow.
Some right, there's some right there and some right there.
Yeah.
Let me just zoom out.
Let's keep it zoomed. Let's keep it zoomed in. How?
That's not as high as you can go. You can go a little higher.
A little higher. Look at that big one up there. I don't know if our viewers can see that, but there's a huge turtle. It's like
It's right
a foot and a half
there. Look at him. Look at that boy.
Look at this turtle. Okay, look at the legs.
Look at him. Hello, Mr. Turtle.
We would do that. That's like the way they saw it.
That's a tiny fish. Look at him.
He's on that log.
Oh, I think he wants to go swimming.
He's going in. Oh!
I got my camera ready.
Not yet. You know, the other people would not see it.
Did anybody get a picture of his legs sticking straight up his back? Oh, you gotta send that to me. Welcome, Henry. That's email.
We're going full power.
Wildlife viewing day with the cold temperatures and the nice warm sun.
For those wondering, we're wearing coats, but it's about 64 degrees. It's sunny at least. But the wind makes it a little chilly sometimes, so. Yeah, you can. I'm good, buddy.
5-6 foot wingspan. They love fishing this very shallow river. They go for the fish, and particularly the catfish that we have an abundance of. And you would
Cat daddies, bud.
catfish would sit down that long skinny neck, but what they do is they catch it, they bring it to the sandbars, they'll count it to them, and then they gotta really wrestle with it. They'll flip it
We
up
just-
in the
oh, I
air
see
to
him.
get that head first down that long skinny neck. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm flying. He's walking.
There you go. It looks like a. Doesn't he kind of look like a? Doesn't he walk like a kind of?
Kinda, yeah.
Is he going in? Is he going in? Is he going in? Oh, he went in.
Here's sit, bud.
He's going in. He's going in. He's going in. He's going in. Go, puppy dog, go, puppy dog.
What kind of dance would we do? I've never seen those. That was the polka? I think he was just showing off for us, wasn't he?
Wow. It's not zoomed in.
Lunch break. But today flows around this beautiful Niagara River. Niagara River starts 160 miles. It starts north of us in Niagara City. It flows down to the upper Niagara Lake, to the lower Niagara Lake, and all the way down to Charlotte Harbor. The 34 miles that's in Sarasota County was declared a wild and scenic river back in 1985. Since then, there's only 2 rivers that hold that title. The other one is called the Wakai
Don't be
These are called
bashful.
live oak trees. They played a very important part of our history. They were used to build the wood ship. Not only are they very strong, but they're also very flexible and buoyant as well. They're still being used
I
to
just
this
saw a
day
snake.
to repair what wood ships we
I
have
didn't
left.
see a gator, but I saw a snake.
Yeah.
Now you're going to see all this stuff that's stuck to all these live oak trees. And you think that all this is destroying the trees, but it's not the case at all, folks. The trees are simply supporting them, and what they are is air plants. How the air
Oh, those
plants
moss
do
things
survive
on
is
the
by
tree.
the air, the oxygen,
They're called.
the sunlight.
I wondered about
and
those.
there's little bitty spiders and jigger bugs that
We're in, like, the
all
jungle,
these
dude.
plants
We are in
die
Jurassic Park
to.
trip part 2.
And that's what feeds the plant.
Those turtles were huge, weren't they? Those are the biggest turtles I've ever seen in person, like not in a zoo.
Also, you'll see that they really like to
Those are
hang
cooter
out
turtles.
on
Cooter
the
turtles
live
are like
oak
painted
trees.
turtles and red ear
Because
sliders.
the live oak trees, it releases
Called
the
yellow belly
nutrients
cooters.
for their survival.
yellow belly. You have a big fat
Also,
belly.
you're going to see all this stuff
Fatty.
that's hanging from the trees.
Kidding.
This is called Spanish moss. Now, there's a lot of different stories how
We have been eating a lot of food
with
though.
names
Yeah, we
Spanish moss. So I'm going to go with
I had the
Indian
10-piece
back
nugget
then.
last
That's
night
called
and
the
a cheeseburger and
first
fries.
Spaniards coming here into Florida,
and
the
a milkshake
conquistadors,
last
and their
night
long, scraggly
at
gray
McDonald's.
beards look just like the
Well,
stuff
we didn't
from
actually
the
go in
Greeks.
there and eat them.
And they're the ones who started
But I did eat the person who delivered it.
Oh, you ate the person? Wow, you're really full then. You're a cannibal.
Yeah.
That's people that eat people.
Well, Henry Ford got
Did you know
a hold
that?
of this idea. I learned this
Oh, okay.
taking the tour down in Fort Myers of the Edison and
I
Ford
actually
Museum.
ate them.
We used it
It's
for
so
stuff in
good.
the first
At least I only
automobile
swallowed
chase.
the
So
whole.
this is the boat tour, guys. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this off camera. So make sure you like and subscribe.
No!
And say I'll see you next time.
In the dark.
Don't
So as
leave
the
the house!
moss started growing